Hello, welcome everyone to question number 2, check for BST. From the topic trees of Geek for Geeks must do interview coding questions. Have a quick look at the question and we will be discussing the approach. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubts, you can leave below comment. And if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those. That will be very helpful for our growth of the channel. And now let's dwell into the approach of the question. So before understanding the approach to this question, now let us understand the meaning of, okay? By meaning, I mean the question, what the question is trying to say. The question is saying there is a BST tree given. Okay, all of you must have known what is a BST tree, right? The left side element should be smaller than the root element, and the right side element should be greater than the root element. That is the BST here. Okay, and we have a perfect example here. If you can see, the left side element is smaller than the root element, and right side element is greater than the root element. So this is the meaning of the BST, and it is also given that there is no data being repeated. Okay, all the values are unique. Now, on the basis of those conditions, there is a rule. Okay, there is a small rule that I hope everyone is aware of. If we use in-order traversal on a BST, right? If we use the in-order traversal on BST, then the elements that we get that will be arranged in a ascending order from small to big. So the in-order traversal for this example will be 1, 2, and 3. This will be in ascending order, right? If the condition is satisfied, if all the elements that we are iterating using the in-order traversal, if it is in ascending order, then it is a BST. If it is not in ascending order, then it is not a BST. A simple way to check is just take the left side element. Suppose this is 1. Now we just have to compare it with the right side element. This is the right side element, this is left side. Now you have to compare. The left side element is smaller than the right side element or not. If it is, then fine. Just move on. Now check for the other two elements similarly. Now the 2 will become left side element and 3 will become right side element. Now again, is 2 smaller than 3? Yes. Like this, after iterating the in-order traversal, then we can be sure that this is a BST for sure. Okay. Now I hope you have understood the basic meaning of this question. Now let's go into the coding part and it will be very much clear to you after watching that. Now we are inside the coding part in Geek for Geeks website and I have already coded here. And if we observe here, we have used in-order traversal here. And this S is a list of elements that will be stored after we have used in-order traversal, right? We need the root element. Root element is in between the in-order traversal. So we'll be storing all the elements inside this S variable here, right? Or we call the in-order traversal. And as you can see, we are storing the data in S here. If there is no element, then we return. Okay. After that traversal has been completed, now we have all the elements inside the S variable here. So we are iterating the S variable here one by one, and we're comparing the left side element x minus 1 and with the right side element s, right? If sx minus 1 is greater than or equal to sx, it cannot be equal as the question has been given the unique elements. You can simply put here greater also, then also it will work. If it is greater, then that means the condition is false, right? The left side element should be smaller. Only in that case it is a BST, right? So we have to iterate till the end of the s variable, right? So if we put the return true variable here, then we cannot proceed further. So we are checking for the false condition here, right? If this condition is true, then we will return as false and we can immediately say this is not a BST. But what if that is a BST? So in that case, we have to move forward, right? That's why we use this false condition. If everything has been iterated successfully without any error, then we can simply say it return true at the last statement in the function. So we return true if there is no problem after iterating towards the whole elements inside the S variable. I hope you have understood the question and also the code of this question. If you have any doubts, you can leave below comment. And if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe our channel. It will be very helpful for our growth of the channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.